Welcome to today's video. This is Dixon Amagove YouTube channel. Thank you to all those who are supporting our channel and our work, what we are doing. We are really grateful and we don't take it for granted. So today I want us to talk about a very hot topic called precast technology. Precast technology is one of the upcoming technologies that is gaining its way into the Kenyan market or into the Kenyan construction industry environment. But there have been many questions. People are asking, how does this technology work? What is the quality assurance? How do you guarantee or know that whatever technology you are using, from precast panels, beam and block, expandable polystyrene, all this, what guarantee or what parameters can you have for you to know that whatever you are using is up to standard and it is of good quality and it is going to serve you for a very long period of time? So first of all, the idea behind this thing called precast concrete technology is was to help in reducing the time for construction and not the cost. But before that, let's ask ourselves this question: what is precast? So precast means that it is precast concrete. So in the construction industry, we usually have two types of concrete. We have concrete that is cast in situ. So in situ means that the concrete has been cast on the ground. Like if you are doing a slab, you cast the concrete on the slab like on site. But precast means that whatever members you are going to have on your project, they have been prepared somewhere, done some test, and then now when you come to the site, it's just a matter of assembling those products. So first of all, it depends for you to ascertain, like to know which type of precast concrete technology you're going to use. You have to know, first of all, who is your manufacturer or who is your supplier. And then, if possible, visit those guys and be able to check whatever they are putting up, whatever they are using, the ratios for you yourself before you order. Because you can order something from the company and then when it comes to your site, you come to realize that it is not up to standard and it is not going to serve you for a long period of time. So it won't be helping you. But the main issue here is this technology called precast affordable or cheaper compared to in situ concrete or work that is done on site? If you take a closer look, what these guys are trying to sell to you is that they are coming with the idea of cost, that this thing is cheap, it's going to save you money. But this is a total lie. It is a very big lie. First of all, there are very many hidden costs which come with precast concrete technology or precast whatever the affordable technologies in the construction industry. Take for example someone building a house using interlocking blocks. So interlocking blocks means that you're not going to use cement. But number one, before what is the environment that you're going to use to ensure that these interlocking blocks are going to work? Number one, you have to ensure that you have columns. So if I'm building my house using the normal brick and mortar, like the Ndarugo stones, I'm not going to use columns. But for interlocking blocks, you're going to use columns. So you have to place columns end to end, and then below you're supposed to have something like a ground beam to hold the first layer. And then now from there you can be arranging them. And then on the end to end, you're supposed to have something like a column to hold it. So it will just be like an infill in that case. The other thing is security. What guarantees security in case of these affordable technologies? Take for example, you're building your house using interlocking block technology. If someone wants to enter your house, you just have to remove one and then the rest, they'll fall down like quicksand. So what is the security there? no security. Let me touch on the other thing, hollow blocks. Hollow blocks is another thing which people are embracing, and I have no issue with hollow blocks, but my problem with hollow blocks is that if you go and check the depth of that slab, it is going to be way bigger than the normal slab, which means they're telling you that the slab will be light, but at the end of the day, that slab is not going to be light, it is going to be heavy. The other thing is the plumbing conduits have to run on top of the hollow block. They can't go in between. The hollow blocks, you can't break them. And once that is done, you compromise the integrity or the strength. So you're going to have a very thick slab. A hollow block is usually around 400. Add the plumbing. That thing is going to be very heavy and very expensive. So what I can tell my viewers or my future clients or people who want to venture into the construction technology, if you want to use affordable products in the construction industry, don't go for them with a view of cost. Most of them are using time to justify cost. If I can build a house in 2 weeks, does not mean that the house is going to be cheap. It is just that I've taken less time. But there's someone who can take much time and he has spent less. So people, be careful. These things fail, and I'm still doing my research, and I'll come up with a comprehensive analysis and on time and like on site analysis to give you to show you the practical examples why these things are not what they're being sold to you.